Hello, I'm Photo Phil.
And my name is Video Phil.
Okay, we're ready for today's demonstration. Take a seat. As you can see, I'm too far away to set up the camera.
Oh, don't worry. Take care of that.
No. You stay there. In actual fact, I can do everything standing over here, and that's thanks to Digital Director. See? On the iPad screen, I can see exactly what the camera is framing, and that's not all. Thanks to a simple set of controls, I can adjust the exposure, ISO, shutter speed, aperture. In short, I can remote control the camera. Unfortunately, I can't remote control him. Still, that's all for today. See you next time.